In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner taillight on this Toyota Camry. Let's get started. In order to access the inner taillight, we now have to remove this liner that sits on the trunk lid. Now you don't have to remove the entire thing. If you're just doing one side taillight, you can just remove the push clips on this side, let's say, or this side for the driver's side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pull off half of it and then do the job. Use a trim tool and pop the center off of these push clips, and then the outer piece should come with it. With those push clips removed, you can peel this liner back, and that exposes the mounting area of this inner taillight. Now I'm going to unplug this connector and turn the bulb counterclockwise. That should unlock it. Set that aside. Now take a 10mm socket and remove this mounting nut here. And if you look a little bit further to the left, there will be two more. These will be on the outside of the trunk lid. With those off, you should be able to push the taillight out. There's just like that. It might just be stuck on the gasket. And there it is. Clean this mounting area a little bit to make sure that it has a good seal for the new taillight. Then take your new taillight assembly, line it up, and press it into place. Now put the mounting nuts back on. Grab your socket with your bulb, slide it in, turn it clockwise to lock it, and put the connector on. And now let's just snug up these nuts. And what you're looking for when you're doing this is to just squish that gasket down. So I'm just gonna snug it about 1/8 to 1/4 turn after it bottoms out. That's just enough to create a nice watertight seal. All right, let's get that carpet liner back in and put the push clips back. Close the trunk and test out the light, make sure it works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.